Good afternoon, everybody. It's a nice day today, so we thought we'd come to our spot and put some trail cameras out. Gaz is currently putting number 1 out now, as you can see. So as soon as we've done that, we'll get out of the way, go put number 2 up and number 3, so see you soon. Hi guys, here we are, trail cam 2. Dad's putting it up now, as you can see.
Set it up video.
He's just setting it up on video. He's facing it that way, so if anything comes off the field...
Off the back of the entrance of the field.
Yeah, if anything comes off the back of that entrance, that's a field. We'll catch it on video, hopefully. Hi guys, again, here we are, trail cam 3. Dan has just put it up. It's going to be facing that way, down the valley.
So anything comes down there, hopefully we should get it on.
Yep, so
I'll come back in a week's time and hopefully we'll have some footage.
see you then.
Just there now, trail cam 1. Hi guys, welcome back. I'm just at my spot now where I put my trail cams out. I've had them out 5 days. I was going to leave them out for the week, but when I went to my other location the other day, I did find a fresh carcass. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get all the trail cams in now and get them set up around there. I just got number 1 in, trail cam 1, and I had a fox and a pheasant and a few other clips that I couldn't quite see, so I'm going to check probably when I get in. Back here now, trail cam 2. Right guys, I just got trail cam 2 in. It only had a couple of rabbits, and a magpie actually landed on the trail cam, which is a bit weird. And there's a few empty shots, but I'm going to have a look when I get back in if we've missed anything. But I'll have to go and get number 3. Right guys, just here now, number 3. Right guys, just got all the trail cameras in now. There's not much on them. I did have a squirrel on number 3 and a lot of empty shots, but I'm going to check them properly when I get in. Trail cam 2 only had a few rabbits and a magpie that keep landing on the trail cam. And the trail cam 1 and that had a fox and a pheasant, but there's a few empty shots on all of them, so when I get in I'm going to have a good look. And I'll see if there's anything we're not spotted. So thanks for watching and goodbye.